Good evening. Today, 11th August 2020, me Alagos, news anchor from Lavafara Media, here brings you the world latest updated news from all around the world. PM Modi holds meeting with CMS of 6 states to review flood situation. New Delhi Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Monday held a virtual meeting with of 6 states to review flood situation, in which he emphasized extensive use of innovative technologies for improving forecast and warning system. The Prime Minister office said the states that attended the meeting to review their preparedness to deal with the southwest monsoon flood situation in the country are Assam, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka and Kerala. A statement from the PMO said during the meet. The Prime Minister also stressed on better coordination between all central and state agencies to have a permanent system for forecasting of floods. Shah Faisal steps down as GKPM President. Srinagar. Shah Faisal, who resigned from the Indian Administrative Service IAS and floated the Jammu and Kashmir People's Movement JKPM last year, has resigned as its president, party said on Monday. Faisal had dropped a hint about stepping away from politics on Sunday as he edited his personal details on Twitter, removing the reference to his political affiliations. He could not be contacted for comments. The JKPM's executive committee held an online meeting on Monday to discuss the political developments in the state, the party said in that statement. In the meeting, request of Dr. Shah Faisal to spare him from the organizational responsibilities was discussed. Dr. Shah Faisal has informed state executive members he is not in a position to continue with political activities and wants to be freed from responsibilities of the organization, the JKPM said. Keeping in view this request, it was decided to accept this request so that he can better continue with his life and contribute whichever way he chooses, the party said. The JKPM statement said it has been unanimously decided to appoint Vice President Feroza Pirzada as an interim president till formal elections can be held for the post of president. The committee also accepted the resignation of its chairman Javed Mustafa Mir, who is MLA, it said. Faisal, who surprised everyone by resigning from the government service in January 2019, had floated his own political party 2 months later. He was arrested in August last year, a week after the centre revoked the special status of the erstwhile state of Jammu and Kashmir and divided it into union territories of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. Faisal was booked under the stringent Public Safety Act, later on released in June. Congress expects meet Rahul, Priyanka amidst talk of reconciliation, sources New Delhi ahead of the crucial Rajasthan Assembly session from August 14. Rebel Congress leader Sachin Pilot on Monday met party leaders Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi. Vadra admits indications of a possible through. Top Congress sources said the meeting could take place a little afternoon at Rahul Gandhi's residence and the positive outcome was expected. Sources also confirms to PTI that Pilot has been in touch with the top Congress leadership and a formula of his return was being worked out. Thanking you.